graceful walk to playing a melodious tune on the keyboard which takes years to master. Almost all activities performed in daily life require the perfect functioning and coordination of many of our muscles. Such voluntary actions are controlled by the cerebrum, the thought center of our brain. The cerebrum is a wonderful organ, and it has two hemispheres, the right and the left hemispheres, which are structurally similar and perform analogous functions on the opposite sides of our body. These two lobes, each about the size of 5 or 6 decks of cards, are connected by a tract called the corpus callosum. A tract is a collection of axons, the impulse conducting parts of the nerve cells which constitute the white matter. This structure is a flat, banana-shaped part, the Langston bridge of the brain, lying at the bottom of the fissure that runs through the center of our cerebrum, dividing it into the two hemispheres. Its main function is to carry signals, nerve impulses, from one hemisphere to another, from where they are transmitted to the corresponding body part. They also regulate activities by excitatory and inhibitory mechanisms. The former amplifying impulses and the latter dampening conflicting signals from the opposite hemispheres to prevent the simultaneous transmission of antagonistic commands to an affected organ. It's like the superstar main man who ensures that we can carry our cognitive and mechanical functions normally. Here you see a common situation, an impulse to watch the next episode of your favorite TV show, and another to pick up the books and study for an upcoming exam. In this situation, the callosum selectively amplifies the predominant signal to steady, so that your muscles know which activity to perform. If only it was this simple to resist temptation in real life. Let's look at Lavi's keyboard session to understand this. As she reads the first note, impulses from her vision center travel to the Varnex area of her left cerebral hemisphere, the side opposite to that of her dominant hand. This sensory area then interprets the note and sends a signal to each of her cerebral hemispheres through the corpus callosum. The individual hemispheres generate motor nerve impulses for the opposite hands, which are again regulated and transmitted through the callosum. It's an essential part involved in performing any activity. However, we still have a lot to learn about this structure. Its close connections with other parts of the brain make it challenging to obtain a clear image of its anatomy and understand its functions. Disorders like its agenesis, meaning poor or incomplete embryonic development, lead to several symptoms, including reduced perception and memory. This reveals the importance of studying the corpus callosum, from its ontology to the extent of its structural and functional roles. Currently, numerous research institutes around the world are working to understand the highway of our brain and unravel the mysteries at the very core of the organ that enables us to delve into the unknowns of outer space. Nevertheless, the next time you're going to master a song on the keyboard, remember 10 series of brain, those are the corpus callosum, work the same way that Beethoven's did.